Welcome to Inspire tutorial. Today we'll discuss the answers of few questions from class 9 textbook chapter motion. So the question number 1 is a point traverses in a curved path like this. So then you have to draw a displacement vector from the point A to the point B. So here the displacement vector is nothing but the shortest distance between those 2 points, that is A and B. So just draw a straight line between A and B, and since this is a vector, so I have to show the direction like this. So this will be the displacement vector from point A to point B. And the second question is, so a statement is given, is she moves at a constant speed in a constant direction. So you need to correct this phrase using the words related to motion, direction. So here, when we talk about the speed of an object in a particular direction, then we call it as velocity. That means she moves at a constant velocity. So when an object or a human being is moving with a constant velocity, we say she is in uniform motion. When an object or a person or a human being is moving in a particular direction and with a constant speed, means it is moving with a constant velocity, then you can say the object or the person is in uniform motion. And the third one is, what is the average speed of a cheetah that sprints 100 meters in 4 seconds? So the average speed can be calculated. Average speed equals to, it is the total distance covered divided by total time taken. So in this case, the cheetah covers a distance of 100 meters divided by, and what is the total time taking? 4 seconds. This will be 4 seconds. So which equals to 25 meters per second. In the second case, what if it sprints 50 meters in 2 seconds? The formula remains same. So in this case, the total distance traveled is 50 meters divided by in 2 seconds. So in this case also the average speed will be 25 meters per second only. And the fourth one is, correct your friend who says the car rounded the curve at a constant velocity 70 km per hour. So in this statement he says the car rounded the curve. So the car is traveling through a curve and he is saying at a constant velocity. So in this case, when you come to a curved path, or when a body or an object is moving in a curved path, then its velocity cannot be constant, but its speed can be constant. So we can say the car rounded the curve at a constant speed of 70 km per hour, but it cannot be velocity because the car is moving in a curved path.